Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're doing fine and so am I. Welcome back to Learn Forwards from Hi Kids Feathercap. Now, today we are going to learn some amazing rhymes. Are you all excited? So let's get started. Okay, so our rhyme for today is early to bed. So there's amazing picture over here, and what you can see in the picture, there's a sun, there's a window, and when do the sun comes? In the morning, okay? Sun shines in the morning time, and there's a bed, and on the bed there's a child, and there's a pillow in green in color, there's a blanket, there's a lamp over here. Okay, first tell me, when do you wake up in the morning? Early or late? That depends, because if you sleep early, you'll wake up early, and if you will sleep late, then you'll wake up late, and then you'll be late to the school also, right? So our rhyme is about that only. Early to bed. We should sleep early to bed, okay? We should sleep at time. We should not get late in sleeping, okay? So, early to bed and early to rise. Everyone will speak after me. Let's start. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Okay? Now, everyone will repeat after me. Once again, early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Okay? So, and whenever we sleep at night, we should thank God. Why we should thank God? Because God has given us so many things. This beautiful life, our lovely parents, everything. Who has given us? God has given us. Okay? सब कुछ God ने दिया है ना हमें. So we should join our hands and we should say, thank you God for everything. Okay? We should be thankful to God. We should thank Him every day and night. Okay? Will you do that? Do it with me. Join your hands and say, thank you God for everything that He has given us so many things. Okay? Now, once again, we'll sing the rhyme. And everyone will sing the rhyme with ma'am. So let's start. Early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Very nice, everyone. Now, you will learn this rhyme every day with your mama, and you will say thank you God also, okay? Because that's a good habit to say thank you. Very nice, everyone. Now, see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.